Go.
He's camera shy, remember?
Here, I'll pretend here, I'm not recording, I promise.
Okay, I'm not posing anymore.
I promise, I'm promising.
It's not a picture.
It's a video, you have to make your noise.
Oh, well, fuck you, motherfucker.
No. Oh,
Oh.
Oh my god, you look crazy. Hey, Dan, what's up? Are you coming?
Fucking drunk asses. Nipple fuck.
Oh my god.
It's like a sandbag.
Okay, Mr. Dan the man, we'll see you when you're here.
Dude,
Okay, bye.
you got a dead dog under your bed.
She moved from my bed to yours.
Oh.
It's funny how your,
The camera.
it's funny how your dog like lays on its bed but just.
Here, let me see that. Is it still recording? It's still recording.
This is drunk ass.
They're fucking retarded, man. Jesus.
Your face is retarded.
Yeah.
Guy.
You got nothing.
This guy is so really good.
Amanda's drunk. I didn't know you knew that. Woo! Hey, we've all seen your boobies here. Let's do it again.
Careful there.
Woo!
Might slide something.
I saw Amanda's boobie.
Okay, I'm out because this is awkward. This right here, that's awkward. Over and out. Over and... I don't know how to stop this thing. Here, I don't know how to stop it. Wow!
Strong.
I'm strong.
I don't know how.
You dirty bastard.
Oh my god, you know what? We were watching Brokeback Mountain and
Fag back.